Explanation of the methods of importing and exporting drive parameters. First, prepare a debugging cable and a computer. Insert one end of the line above the number of axes to be exported. For example, axis 1 and axis 4. Just insert the export parameter axis you need, plug the other end into the computer. Open the software and we will provide it to you. Double-click the mouse to open. After connecting the line, it will display COM3. The representative is already connected. Click here to show connected. Close this page. Click the screen this time to read all. Just read the parameters in the driver. Click the Save button here on the screen. Click Save. It will jump to the page where the parameters are saved. We save the parameters to the computer desktop. Create a folder name, named J1 and J4. Then it is the parameters of axis 1 and axis 4. Click Save. Click OK and it will be saved successfully. This is how you export parameters. Now introduce the method of importing parameters. Click Open on the screen. On the computer desktop, find the parameter file you just backed up, or the parameter file we provided to you. Select this parameter and click Open. Shows that the file has been opened. There is a Check Backup parameter here. Click and all parameters will be checked. If you only need to check one of the parameters, for example, I only want to import motor code, just check the corresponding places, then click Right to check the option. Let us first check all the parameters, then click the Right button. Wait a moment and the screen will display the writing completion prompt. The parameter import is now completed. If we only want to import the parameters of one of the axes, let us open the parameter file that needs to be imported first. Click OK. Same as previous operation. Click to check the backup parameters. On the right side of the screen, there are options for import axis 1 and import axis 2. Clicking on the first one will import one axis. Clicking on the second one will import two axes. We click to import an axis. The screen will display a writing completion prompt. The second axis will not be imported. The above is how to import parameters.